guys, welcome back. If I could only take one setup to a wedding, what would I choose? The obvious answer on my camera is my Canon R6. Now the lens is a little harder to choose. I've got an awesome Sigma 24 to 105 f4 and a Canon's 24 to 70 2.8. It's really a toss of a coin, but I guess if I had to choose, I would take the Canon 24 70 2.8 just because it has that little lower f-stop. So I'll take my R6, I'll put my 24 to 70 on it so I can get that 2.8 depth of field, which is really nice depth of field. I can go to 70, which is not real far, it's not as far as 105, but there's enough room to crop, and I generally fill the frame good enough, so I have to do a little crop, and it won't be bad. But 24 to 70 would be the lens choice. And then the flash would definitely be the Godox V1 with the diffuser. Now, I say I would take this as my main rig. Now, normally I wouldn't take the flash on top of the camera. I would use an off-camera flash, but I'm just saying for a quick, if I could only take one setup, this is what I would take. This would probably be more than just weddings. You can do models, you can do headshots with this. You can do practically anything with a 24 to 70. Like I said, I would rather have the off-camera flash. I might keep this one on top of the camera because I can control the other Godox flashes with it. Or I may put this one off camera and use one of the Godox triggers. So either way. But I think with the R6, the Canon 24 to 70 2.8, and the Godox V1, you got a good setup to do a nice wedding. Even if this is all you had, you could do a complete wedding with this. It wouldn't be perfect, but you know, at a wedding, I'm also going to throw on like a 16 millimeter to go wide. I'll also throw on like a 200 millimeter just to get that depth. But if you had to, you only take one of each. This is what I'm taking: Canon R6, Canon 24 to 70 2.8, and my Godox V1 flash. So I will post some pictures to go with this. See what you guys think, and you guys let me know what you would take if you could only take one rig to shoot a wedding. And if we're helping you guys out, let us know. Have a good day and hit subscribe to our site.